Fucking just hang on. I didn't even see ya. Oh, fuck. Shreddy, you got a fucking goddamn crappie. Look at the size of that fucking thing. 8-incher. Oh, he was eating the sandwich. Missed the fight. Fell off. Ah, yes. Look at that. That's what I always say on Silver Lake. Look at the size of that. Shreddy's got a fucking monster on. Look at that fucking thing. Perch. Right into the perch. Yeah. Looks like she's a little better. Yeah, I got her. Finally got Shreddy. This is like his fucking 10th. Holy fuck, 10th fish today. I don't know, something like that. Kicking our ass.
Yeah, just one size bigger. Yeah.
Into a few crappies. We got the old doggies out here with us. Fair's in the house there. Nice crappie. That's fucking sad. Shreddy's into another one here. Holy fuck. Oh. Oh.
There's the slabs. There's the slabs you want. That's the one you can even fucking hook them in the... Yeah.
Very nice.
You get 4 or 5 of those. Fuck yeah. Come on, buggers. Almost looks like a white crop. Yeah, they are. They're light. Same with the perch. Speckles.
Not bad.
Little guy.
Nice. That's gonna be it. Oh yes, guy. Crappie, you're back. He and Curtis are just here to carry all Shred's shit back here. That's a beaut. Oh fuck, here we go. Double header. I think so, isn't it? Fuck that. That's fucking another beauty too. Hold that fucker up and you get him off there.
Not too bad. Little guy.
And I'm gonna catch one. I don't even know if I can see it. That's Moby Dick!
That's his cousin, Tony. Aaron's got, and yeah, they're pretty slick. So you can put AA batteries, or you can charge it, and then it's got the solar as well. Right. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. So I got them set up and just tucked them in the bush. Yeah, just to play over the holidays there a little bit. Both are maxed out.
Oh no!
Already.
Squirrels and.
Well, yeah, the kids set up. So, you know, they want Big Gus. They call him this big gray squirrel. Well, they've been watching a few YouTube videos.
Sun's out, guns out.
Is it? You saw it? Oh, nice.
Ah, crappie.
There's a couple down there.
Horseshoe man's here. Look at, we got the dog looking right at us. How you doing there?
I never reeled mine in so fast.
Nice. Oh yeah. Holy
shit. On? Well, hopefully it's on the end of my rod.
I missed that. I missed that.
Hopefully it's... Yeah. Hopefully it's spinning. Like a fucking rocket.
Snot rocket.
There's your line, grab it. Oh, look at that! Ooh, we got a lure. Deja vu day, what the fuck?
Pike's moved in again. Oh, it's fucking awesome. Another one. Hey.
You're gonna get expensive sitting beside you. Come on, Billy. Lobbies. Hey, fuck, I saw the big red mark on the fucking crap. Oh,
He was fucking high.
That ain't a fucking...
No, she's a pike, bud.
You think it's a pike?
Or you think it's a walleye?
I don't know. What your other
Holy fuck.
I think you're hung up. Yeah.
Oh, you're hung up on me. Alright. I think you're hung up on me, yeah.
Ron's gonna give you some slack. Maybe.
Just flip your bail, maybe.
Fuck, he's got everybody.
Yeah, we got the GoPro going, bud. Look at the fucking little fucking perch rod there.
Bending rod.
Jesus Christ.
Is it? Fuck, big.
I guess I should probably pull this last one. I think it's gotta be a pike. What do you think?
I don't know what my
walleye?
$5 fucking reel drag is going up.
I should probably get this one out of the water too, just in case. Careful. Let him go if he wants to go, that's for sure. Fuck me. Told you a fucking pike would move in.
Quality drag.
Told you a pike would move in. Just had to crack a beer, we're good. Here comes. Holy fuck. It's a goddamn fucking sturgeon, for fuck's sake.
Everything's in this lake.
Just waiting for your fucking pole to break in half.
Have you gained any? No.
No, he just took a bunch out again. Need a line counter on that thing. I think next time I want Shreddy's hole. How many fucking fish have you brought up that hole there? See it on your finder? Oh.
Back down, solid light. Not ready. Jesus Christ. Back down the bottom.
Holy Christ. Unless it's a fucking giant fucking largemouth.
Can't remember one year. Yeah, a couple of few dandies.
6 minutes since I started the video anyway. That thing is just solid. It's gonna come up with 10 crappie in his mouth.
Yeah. Little 5 lures.
I can't believe that. It's not a 24-incher, I don't think, anyway.
The knots are good.
Wow. I can't believe that it's still going.
No,
That's insane. Even that 32 last year wasn't like that.
yeah,
It's gotta be a fucking 35, 40 if it's pike. I better just stop talking about it. Fucking bored here.
piss. Yeah,
My God. Yeah. "13 minutes into the fight." 15-pounder. Perfect song for this, eh?
Yeah. I thought it was big.
What? Was it?
Oh, fuck. I saw a big
It's a
snout.
fucking lake trout.
I saw a big snout.
Saw bubbles.
Oh, fuck.
His gullet's hanging out of his mouth.
I didn't see him on the lure, so he must be attached somewhere. Yeah, he's gotta be. I can't do much. There he is, right there. It's right there.
Did you see what?
Holy fuck, yeah. Do you want to get it? Do you want me to get him? I don't know if I can get his nose up here. That's a big fucking bite. Jesus Christ, that's a fucking 3-footer for sure. 4-pound test. I think that's like a fucking record on 4-pound test. Yep. Yeah, it's definitely good. He's almost over my hole. Oh shit, coming up. Gonna be near Todd. Oh, he goes here. He's down now.
Did it hit your transducer?
Yeah, there's my hook, my worm. Ellie, you're gonna hook me in a hole here.
Wow.
I don't know if I can get his head up here with this fucking light eye. Fucking...
Need me to drill a couple more holes?
Here he is. Oh, snow.
He didn't like that.
Just need that little nose to pop up. Yeah, I think you're obviously maybe he's caught on all of them. Like,
Oh, I just seen a flash from in the other hole here.
if you want to bring your thing over here, you'll see him.
Yeah, I just don't want it. If I disconnect this, I'm probably gonna get fucked.
Oh, copy.
I don't want it to shut her down.
That's fine. It's good size. You stick down that hole, you'll see him.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that fucking thing. Look at how thick that motherfucker is.
Tangles.
Woo! Nice fucking work, boys. Jesus Christ. That is fucking wild. No wonder that fucking thing ran as much as it did. You gotta fucking measure that fast.
Oh, he was up good, dude. Ow! Let go. Oh, your fingers are out. Shit. The lockjaw. One hook.
Oh my god, that's a beauty. Congrats, bud. That is one fucking beauty pike. That is fucking awesome. Just stay there and I'll get a good picture for you. Oh, fuck me.
Oh, mine's maybe yours.
That's fucking... Oh my god. That was one big fucking pike, man. Solid. Oh my god. Fuck me. That was fucking...